guys, how are you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back. I hope everyone is okay, and I would like to say thank you for stopping by. So today's video, we're going to do a whole shebang using one brand, and this is Milani. Without further delay, let's dive into it. Okay, we're going to use this Make It Last setting spray. This is the Prime, Correct, and Set setting spray. For our foundation, we're going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I kid you not, this is a full coverage foundation, very inexpensive, drugstore. You know what? I love it. I'm using shade number 3. Trying to cover my acne scars, and that's the reason why it encouraged me to do this video, because so far this is the only foundation that really covers my acne scars. Don't forget your neck as always. Next up, for our concealer, we're going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This is a long wear concealer, and I'm using shade 130, which is light beige. To set our foundation, we're going to use Milani Translucent Powder in shade 01. Then don't forget to set your eyelid and eyebrow. For bronzing and contour, we're going to do the Milani Bronzer XL, and I'm using shade number 1. This is the Bronze Glow. We're done with our contour. So right now we're going to work on our eyebrows, and we're using this one from Milani. This one is the Brow Fix. It's so neat that it comes with the tools for your entire brow, and one thing more, it is so inexpensive. I'm going to dip in with this medium brown. I'm just filling in the empty spot. Moving on. Our brows are done. I hope you like it. We're going to work on our eyeshadows, and we're going to use the Milani Everyday Eyes palette. I'm going to dip in with this brown here. It's like mocha brown. And create this mini wing. And I'm diffusing the color all over my crease. And then using my ring finger, I'm going in with this shimmer color here. And then I'm going back to this blending brush and I'm going to diffuse that color to have a softer edge. And we're going to use that color on our tight line. For our mascara, we're going to use the Milani's Lash Trifecta. You're gonna love this mascara. It really separates my lashes. I'm going to use the Filmora and I'm going to curl my lashes as always because I prefer putting on mascara first before putting on my lashes. And okay, our lashes are attached. It's so dramatic. This is a non-Milani. My apology. And we're going to go back with this palette and we're going to dip into the same color that we had earlier. And still using this flat brush, I just keep on cleaning them. And then I'm going to work on my lower lash line. Halfway. I'm going to smoke that out using this pencil brush. Now we're going to sweep all the powder. I'm surprised the concealer doesn't crease on me. No matter what I do, it doesn't crease on me. I'm so in love. Knucklehead, what did I do? I did not fill my blush, but good thing I'm going to do the retouch. Let's do the blush, and this is what we're going to use here. This is the Milani CLOVE. We're going to swirl our brush and put that color on our cheeks. I hope you like our eyes. Now let's move on with our lips. And we're going to use two products, very nude, very natural, and we're going to use this one from Milani. This is the Color Statement Lip Liner, and we're going to use the one Keep It Full. This is a lip gloss. It's a plumping lip gloss. Please make sure that you moisturize your lips. And then line your lips. It's so natural. And then use this lip gloss. So this is the lip liner and then the lip gloss. Don't mind the eyeshadow there, but it is so natural. Now we're going to work on Milani's highlighter. You know what? I've been using this for a while, but I don't know, for some reason I haven't used it in my actual tutorial. This is my first time. I'm going to use this flat brush to work on my eyelid. And then just to enhance, you see how I do? Just to enhance. And then highlight our inner corner. You see that? we're going to use a very small brush. We're going to dip in with this highlighter and we're going to highlight our nose and then blend it using our finger. Last but not the least, we're going to set this face. And you know what? This setting spray from Milani really works wonders. Woo. And this is it. This is our finished look. And that's it for our video tutorial for today. Thank you so much and I hope you like it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Before you head out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell so you'll get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.